You are going to love the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find child safety locks, multifunction display, power steering, tachometer, trip odometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.